Giving my life to Christ was the best decision I ever made. But if I'm being honest, it came with some surprises. So today, I want to share with you what I wish I knew when I first gave my life to Christ. Not to scare you, but to prepare you, because following Jesus is powerful, but it's also a journey. I thought my problems would disappear overnight, but they didn't. I still struggled. I still had bad days. I still faced temptation. What I've learned is salvation is instant, but transformation is a process. God saves you in a moment, but He shapes you over time. Don't get discouraged if you're not changing as fast as you hoped. God is working even when it feels slow. There were days I didn't feel saved, days I didn't feel like God was near, and I questioned everything. But I've learned we walk by faith, not by feelings. Your feelings may change, God's love doesn't. When I gave my life to Christ, I expected everyone to celebrate with me. Some did, but others questioned me. Some even walked away, and that hurt. But Jesus said in Matthew chapter 10 verse 22, "You will be hated by everyone because of me, but the one who stands firm to the end will be saved." Following Christ means you may lose people, but you'll never lose Him. You'll still mess up, but God's grace is bigger. I thought I had to be perfect after I got saved. So, when I sinned again, I felt ashamed. I thought God gave up on me. But Romans chapter 8 verse 1 says, "There is now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus." God doesn't expect perfection, He desires progress. And when you fall, His grace picks you up. You'll discover a joy the world can't touch. There's something about knowing you're loved by God, chosen, forgiven, called. That joy is deeper than happiness. It doesn't depend on circumstances. It flows from knowing you belong to Him. So if you're new to the faith, or even if you've walked with Jesus for years, remember this. You're not on this journey alone. God is patient with you. He's walking with you. And He's not done writing your story. What I wish I knew then, I now know today. God is faithful through every season.